All right, so y'all, this is a homework problem out of 11.1, and it says, consider a simple clock. Find the measure of the angle swept by the hour hand between noon and 2:15 p.m. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to try to do here, forgive my drawing, but I'm going to try to draw a very rudimentary clock. So my clock's going to look something like this. Actually, this is coming out better than I thought. 9, 10, and 11. Okay. And so the question says, can we find the angle swept by the hour hand between noon and 2:15? So look, y'all, here's noon. 2:15 is going to be somewhere over here. And really what we're trying to find is, what is the measure of that angle? Okay, so y'all, when we have a circle and we go all the way around, we know that that's going to be 360 degrees, okay? So y'all, because the clock is divided up in, for hours at least, it's divided up into 12 equal parts. Let's take 360 degrees, and let's divide it by 12. So I'm going to take my calculator here, let me clear this out. 360 divided by 12. Okay, so that's telling me that every hour, my angle moves 30 degrees, right? So y'all, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to say, look, if I have 2 hours, right? That's 2 hours times 30 degrees. That's going to be 60 degrees. But I also have another 15 minutes. So y'all, 15 minutes of an hour is 15 out of 60, right? So if I reduce that, y'all, that's going to be 1/4. So I'm also going to take 1/4 of an hour, right, times 30. So let me grab my calculator again, and I'm going to say, look, what's 1/4 times 30? And I'm coming up with 7.5, which is the same thing as 7.5, right? So I have 60 degrees plus another 7.5 degrees, and that's 67.5 degrees. But, y'all, they do want me to write this in degrees and minutes. So that's 67 degrees. Y'all remember, a 0.5 of a degree means I'm going to take 0.5 times 60, or half of 60. So that would be 67 degrees and 30 minutes, okay? Now, y'all, there is a part B to this problem, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of get that out of the way so I can look at part B. It says, find the exact answer between the minute and hour hands at 5:35 p.m. Okay, so the angle between, what was it, the minute and the hour hands. At, what time was it, 5 something, 5:35. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna do the same thing I did before, okay? I'm gonna try to draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, and so we wanna know the angle between the minute and the hour hands at 5:35. So look, y'all, my hour hand is gonna look something like this. My minute hand is gonna look something like that, because it's 5:35, right? So actually, I can actually draw that a little bit better, right? Pointing exactly to the 7. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to find this angle here. Okay? So, y'all, what I want to see if I can do here is, can I find, let me see if I can do it this way. Can I find this angle here, okay? And then I want to know, can I find that angle there? And the way I'll find the red angle is I'll take the green angle minus the blue angle, and that'll give me the red one, right? So let's see if we can find the blue angle, okay? So y'all, 5 hours and 35 minutes. Let's see. Y'all, what I want to see if I can do here, I want to see if I can convert this specifically to minutes. So let's see. This is 5 times 60, right? Plus another 35, that's 335 minutes, okay? So y'all, what I want to know is, let me see. How can I convert this part? Guys, I'm going to do this in 2 pieces because